Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to overlap an image in Canva on an object to create that professional pop-out 3D effect where a subject looks like it's stepping out of a frame. Let's get into it. First, layer your main image and object. The foundation of an overlap is having two copies of your subject and one frame or object for them to interact with. Place your background object, like a circle, frame, or shape, on the canvas. Then add the image you want to overlap. Position your image exactly where you want it to sit. For example, if you want a person to pop out of a circle, place the image so their head is above the circle's top edge and their body is inside it. Duplicate that image so you have two identical copies sitting perfectly on top of each other. Next, use background remover and crop. This is where the magic happens. You'll use one layer for the background and one for the overlapping part. Take the bottom copy of your image and send it into your frame or position it behind the shape. If you're using a Canva frame, just drag it in. Take the top copy of your image and click Edit Photo, then select BG Remover. This leaves you with just the subject, like a person or animal, and no background. Carefully align the transparent subject exactly over the one in the frame. To make it look like they are popping out, you only want the top half to show. Use the crop handles, the white bars on the sides of the image, to pull the bottom of the transparent layer up. Stop cropping at the point where the subject meets the edge of your frame. This creates the illusion that the legs are inside the object, while the head and shoulders are outside and overlapping the front. Lastly, lock and group. Once you've aligned the two layers perfectly, you want to make sure they don't move while you finish your design. Click and drag your mouse over both the object and the overlapping image layers to select them all at once. Click the Group button or press Ctrl+G. Now when you resize or move the object, the pop-out effect stays perfectly aligned. If you need to make tiny adjustments, you can double-click inside the group to move individual layers pixel by pixel. And that's pretty much it. To overlap an image in 2026, place your subject over an object, duplicate it, and use the BG remover on the top layer. By carefully cropping the transparent layer so it only covers the part that should be outside the frame, you create a stunning 3D depth effect that makes your designs stand out. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.